Welcome to the Die Cut Brushstroke Florals class. My name is Cheryl. Let me show you what we're going to be doing in this class. So these are the 3 sample cards that we are making, and these are the actual ones that we will be doing in class. I changed them all up just slightly so that you can see how slight variations just change the look a little bit. As you can see, you're not going to have exactly the same results as the sample. Even I don't. I'm using the same colors, I'm the same person with the same hand, and my results are a little bit different. So be completely comfortable with the fact that your results are going to look slightly different from the samples, and that's okay. That's what makes things beautiful. We're going to be using these 3 die cuts with the class, and I will walk you through how to die cut and assemble each one of your flowers. And then we will also be using 3 different 3D embossing folders to create the textured backgrounds, just adding a little bit more dimension to your card. Everything that we are using on the cards is listed in the supply list, and it's linked to where you can find them so you can have your supplies delivered directly to your house and spend much more time crafting than sourcing your supplies. We'll see you in class.